Hey guys, today we have a lot of stuff on the table, but the main component of everything is this flashlight here that I got for $2. It was one of those that people just didn't want it, and for some reason they were saying that it didn't last. That's the problem. It looks more rugged and better here on picture, but in reality is not. It's just a piece of plastic. Let me take it out of it. Let me put this down. This is the micro USB, that's for the charging, and has 4 small LED lights here, has an LED array here. It works, as you see. It has strobe, has the side lantern style light, and here's the charging port. It's a micro USB, but the problem with it is that the battery doesn't last, and we're gonna attempt to fix that because I like how this one looks and how you can just throw it on the side, and for $2 I guess it's not gonna be a big deal even if nothing works on it. So let's dive in and see what we're dealing with inside it first. I'm assuming it might have a regular 11865 in shape, but might be one of those aftermarket ones. And you all know as good as I do what goes on with those aftermarket batteries. That's not a good thing. And let me skip this part while I tear it up. Okay, the flashlight is open. This is the mirror. We put the parts here. This is the glass front. This is the 4 LEDs that it has inside. Let me open the side. Yep, 11865 unmarked. It's just one of those that unfortunately is not that good. Let me put it that way. And they soldered. They didn't even weld it. They just simply soldered it straight to the battery, and let me see if we can do something about that. Okay, it should desolder quite easy, I think, or I hope, if I have enough leverage here. And here's the battery that was inside. There's absolutely zero signs of who made it, but it's not gonna matter. We're gonna try to upgrade it anyway. I have here 2 LG 11865s, these right here, both LG, and I'm gonna connect them in parallel to reach a higher capacity but the same voltage. So let's do just that, and I might skip this boring part so you guys don't get bored with it. And here we are. I did it on the side. Okay, looks like it's welded okay, I guess. It's not the perfect one, but it does the job that I'm looking for, and that's all I care about right now. Okay, let's cut the excess part that we are not gonna need. Okay, and we need this part here, and we should be quite good to go, actually. I need this part here too, because we're gonna solder on it. And well, let's file it so we have something to grab on. Okay, so both leads are soldered, and let me just test it if it works before I do anything else. And yes, it looks like it works. Okay, and let me check the voltage. They should not be fully charged, these 2 batteries, but just to make sure. Okay, it's on DC 20 and 387. Oh yeah, they're charged good, actually. So now we have way more capacity, and we have 2 good batteries. These are not just batteries, but they're good. We know they're from a reputable company that's not gonna play with that stuff. And now we have to destroy this part here in order to make them fit. So let's make it structurally less sound now. Okay, so now we know this is in order, but we have to make sure that it actually stays as such. And I'm gonna try to create like a cushion with some window weather insulation strips. This kind of stuff here, if I can get it. This stuff here they find in general stores or construction stores, whatever you're gonna call them. And I'm gonna put some on all sides and see if I can make a comfy cushion here. Let me see how much I need here. I may need to take this lanyard out of here because it's bothering me now. Okay, so now we're working with... I'll probably leave him stay on the side since that doesn't really bother me. And this wire down here. And let me see how much space do I have on this side. Because that doesn't matter. It will be inside and I will never see it. So I'm just trying to make it as stable as possible and kind of anti-shake. So hopefully I won't have shake problems later. Looks like it's a lot, but it's not, especially when you're planning to use it a lot. It has to be a little bit tight. Okay, right now is super tight. If I can manage to put the screws fast. Okay, so now this flashlight is worth way more than it was initially. It's heavier. There's no rattling inside that it had before at the batteries. There's zero of that. And it works just perfect. Actually feels better now. And here's the lantern part of it. And it's just beautiful in general. Let's see if it actually charges, because that's quite important. Especially in a rechargeable one. And let's see if we did a good job or we messed it up. Let's see, why is this one staying up high there? Here we go. Yep, it's charging. As you see, it's almost full already. And we are good to go. Double the capacity, and we put the good batteries. So it no longer is a $2 flashlight. This battery, just compared to one of these batteries, feels even lighter. Like much lighter. Like there's nothing inside this one, like a fake. Versus the LG feels way, at least double the weight of this whatever this greenish thing is. We just added value to this flashlight, and I hope you like this messy video. And well, we can come up with more videos like this. And I like to buy things like that sometimes when I find for kind of cheap price. And why not take them home, upgrade them, and use them for years to come? There's nothing wrong with that. In an emergency or something, or you can just throw it in the car and keep it for anytime you need a flashlight. This is not a bad flashlight at all. I actually like it. Let me turn off the light. It has a lot of light. Let me turn on the smaller one. And here's the lantern part of it, which is actually really good, and you can work stuff with it. And that's it. That's pretty much all I had for this video. And please like and subscribe this video. You can join our members, and soon we'll have merch as well on below the videos. So you decide how you want to support us, if you want to support us. And you are supported enough just by watching this video and subscribing to this channel and liking these videos as well. So keep that in mind. I'm very thankful for your time, and I hope we learned something. Bye!